The market completely dropped out of the blue. And I bet you were wondering what in the world happened. Well, stick around, I'll let you know. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Jimmy. This is Mind Beyond. If you're joining us for the first time, I buy Bitcoin every single day of the week. Now I'm back again with another video. This week, the video will be short. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but I'm going to push through and get the information to you. But I will go over an important topic as to why the market dropped the way it did after lunch. All right, coming on over to the weekly Bitcoin tracking. Today is January 31st, 2025. The balance is sitting at $1,024. Actual invest is $855. And then the profit return is $169, down $22 from last week. This was up a lot more earlier today, but we had this crazy pullback in the market that no one, really saw coming, but we kind of knew about it, and I'll get into that as we move along. Right now, the profit is sitting at 19.87%, almost at 0.01 Bitcoin, which will be a super duper milestone. Probably hit that over the weekend. And then our average purchase price now is at 85,575. At the time of screenshotting my results, Bitcoin was at $102,678.92. So as we hop on over to the charts, let's actually take a look at what happened today. Currently, I had up my bull rush indicator that I use is just a combination of the 9 EMA, the 21 EMA, and also VWAP and a couple other things. But then I'll turn this off real quick. So as you can see, like from market open, we rallied. This would have been a great trade to take. We rallied some more, made a top, pulled back, made a doji right around this key level here, and we ran back up again, and we could not break through this second daily level right here, and price just sputtered until we got this huge drop right here, right? And then from there, the market proceeded to drop, come back up, drop, come back up, drop, come back up, drop, and then just fizzle flat for the day to actually end the month. Let's talk about this a little bit. Why did we get this pullback? Okay, so coming on over to Investopedia, you'll see that the market news for January 31st, 2025, stocks slip as the White House says that tariffs are coming Saturday, and also the major indices post gains for January. So we're going to talk about that as well. But I want you to see this, okay? I need you to see this, and I'm going to take myself off because this is important. There was a question posed to White House Secretary Caroline Leavitt. The reporter essentially asked her, hey, look, I know President Trump has talked about putting these tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and also China. They were supposed to start February 1st, but there is talk of them starting later, like March 1st. Can you confirm or deny this? She flat out said, hey, look.
The Canada and Mexico tariffs, but that they won't actually be implemented until March 1st. I was wondering if you could confirm that and talk through some of the president's thinking.
I saw that report and it is false. I was just with the president in the Oval Office, and I can confirm that tomorrow, the February 1st deadline that President Trump put into place at a statement several weeks ago, continues. The president will be implementing tomorrow a 25% tariffs on Mexico, 25% tariffs on Canada, and a 10% tariff on China for the illegal fentanyl that they have sourced and allowed to distribute into our country, which has killed tens of millions of Americans. These are promises made and promises kept by the president.
The president yesterday said that last night he was planning to discuss whether an exemption would be made on oil imports. Do you have any information on what decision he made there, or will there be exemptions at all offered under this?
I don't have an update or readout for you on the exemptions, but those tariffs will be for public consumption in about 24 hours tomorrow, so you can read them then.
Right. She came out and she said, look, this is happening this weekend. February 1st, 25% tax imposed on Canada, 25% tax imposed on Mexico, 10% tax imposed on China. It's happening this weekend. And at the moment that happened, the market absolutely flushed. And that was right around this time that she was talking. Right around that time she was talking about 1:15 Eastern time. That's when the market fell off, right after that news. Pretty crazy. But if we go up, let's go up to our to our monthly real quick, so we can see what we closed for the month of January. We opened at 59.49.25, and we closed up over 100 points. We closed up over 108 points almost. This is what we need to keep track of. So now that this month, January, is officially closed, I'm gonna move this candle here, previous month high, down to here. Our new previous month high is now at 61.1150. Okay, so why is the talk of tariffs scaring everybody? The main thing you need to take from this is that at the end of the day, the tariff is a tax, and it's not about the tax itself, it's about who's going to pay the tax. And at the end of the day, it's usually the consumer. So a lot of investors are figuring that this is going to basically spur more inflation, and this is going to make it harder on industries to make money. But for the beginning of the year, January, we closed green on the year, and honestly, I think we're going to have a pretty bullish year. I'm pretty excited to see what we do, but we just have to see what February has to bring for us. It is a shorter month. I think there's going to be a lot more action that we're going to see, especially as we get to learn more as what the new administration decides to put forward. You not only have to weigh the Fed fund interest rates, you also have to weigh what could potentially happen when the press secretary or the president get up on the podium and discuss tariffs. So be on the lookout for that. That's all I have for you guys today. I appreciate you stopping through. I'm going to take some Theraflu or something to get rid of this, whatever's going on. I'm just not feeling up to par, but I appreciate you rocking with me. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to smash that like button and subscribe, and also share it with the friends. I appreciate you guys. I will catch you in the next one. Out. Peace.